Get ready to dive into a showdown between the Oppo Find X9 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro, two titans pushing the boundaries of smartphone tech. Will the Find X9 Pro's massive 7500 mAh battery and ultra-bright 3600 nits display peak outshine the iPhone 17 Pro's ceramic shield toughness and spatial audio prowess? Can the Find X9 Pro's triple-camera Hasselblad system compete with the iPhone's advanced periscope telephoto and ProRes video mastery? And when it comes to platform power, does the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 or the Apple A19 Pro reign supreme? Stick around as we dissect display, platform, camera, battery, build, memory, features, and price. Then ask yourself, is raw innovation enough to dethrone Apple's ecosystem dominance? The Oppo Find X9 Pro boasts a larger 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a staggering peak brightness of 3600 nits, perfect for dazzling HDR content and outdoor visibility. While the iPhone 17 Pro offers a slightly smaller 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED capped at 3000 nits peak. Oppo's display also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+ with a wider color gamut and TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification, making it a powerhouse for immersive viewing and eye comfort. This makes the Find X9 Pro a display beast for multimedia lovers. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro's Apple A19 Pro chipset, with its hexa-core setup, including two high-performance cores at 4.40 GHz, delivers unmatched efficiency and power, especially paired with its integrated 6-core neural engine GPU. Oppo's MediaTek Dimensity 9500 is impressive at 3 nanometers with an octa-core design, but still trails slightly behind Apple's optimized silicon in raw performance and AI capabilities. Oppo Find X9 Pro shines with its Trinity engine, optimizing system resources, Hasselblad professional teleconverter for versatile photography, and AI-powered tools like AI Eraser and Reflection Remover. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro excels with its action button for customizable controls, emergency SOS via satellite, and ultra-wideband Gen 2 chip enabling precise spatial awareness and connectivity. Both pack unique innovations, but Apple's emergency and spatial features stand out for real-world utility. The Oppo Find X9 Pro's main camera setup includes a standout 200 mpp periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, delivering incredible detail and versatility. In contrast, the iPhone 17 Pro offers a balanced triple 48 mpp camera array with a 100mm periscope telephoto boasting 4x optical zoom and cutting-edge 3D sensor shift OIS, enhancing zoom clarity and stabilization. Apple's advanced video capabilities, including ProRes RAW and spatial audio capture, push it ahead for creators. Oppo leans heavily into its Hasselblad professional imaging kit and teleconverter, with unique features like the X-Pan mode ultralight and shadow for artistic shots. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with an 8x optical zoom periscope, 3D LiDAR scanner for depth mapping, and smart HDR5, delivering sharper images and superior low-light performance. Apple's camera feature set is more versatile for photography enthusiasts. The Oppo Find X9 Pro dominates battery capacity with a massive 7500 mAh SiC Li-ion cell, promising extended usage without frequent recharges compared to the iPhone 17 Pro's 4252 mAh Li-ion battery. This huge difference favors Oppo users who prioritize endurance over compactness. Both phones feature premium glass fronts and backs, but the Oppo uses Gorilla Glass with an aluminum frame, while the iPhone 17 Pro incorporates Ceramic Shield 2 on the front and a sturdy aluminum alloy frame with Ceramic Shield back, enhancing durability and drop resistance. Apple's build quality remains a benchmark in the industry. Oppo's IP68, IP69 rating means it can withstand high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters, while the iPhone 17 Pro is rated IP68 for immersion up to 6 meters, offering superior water resistance. Additionally, Apple's inclusion of Apple Pay support and a Ceramic Shield back adds to its premium ecosystem advantage, Both devices offer generous memory options, but Oppo edges out with up to 16 gigabytes RAM on its 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte variants, versus Apple's maximum 12 gigabytes RAM across storage tiers. This extra RAM in Oppo could translate to smoother multitasking and future-proofing for power users. Price-wise, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is positioned more aggressively between $750 and $950, making it a compelling value proposition. Whereas the iPhone 17 Pro commands a premium starting at $1,099 and going up to $1,500, reflecting its flagship status and brand premium. The question remains, is the extra cost justified by Apple's ecosystem and features?